Hi guys, welcome back to the new video again. For today's video, let's talk about on how much you can earn money in Nikkei. Is it a legit or not? Well, Nikkei is a global live streaming platform focusing on entertainment service. User can broadcast live video content and engage with their audience in real time. It functions also as an earning platform, allowing users to make money through various activities. User can earn by completing tasks and gifts. Not to embarrass but to inspire everyone, I would say it is a legit earning app because I had already multiple withdrawal here in Nikkei with $22, $30, $20, $11, $10, $200, and $300. And this amount is from Nikkei. So that's all for today's video. This is Jennifer again reminding you to choose to be happy, have a great day, and start your day with a smile on your face. Thank you guys!